Guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So you guys really liked my Walgreens video from last week. You told me to do more of them, so that is what I'm doing. So I'm sharing with you guys the top deals at Walgreens starting the 21st of July. Before I get into that, Smart Sweets is actually sponsoring a giveaway for you guys. So if you want to be entered to win 15 bags, yes, you heard me right, 15 bags of their Smart Sweet candies. All you need to do to be entered to win is make sure you are a subscriber. Add a comment below on this video as well as my last 4 uploads. So these are the last 4 uploads I did. How to entertain your kids, CVS deals to consider doing, All May Velvet Foil, and the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale haul. If you want to be entered to win, make sure you go and drop a comment in these last 4 videos as well. I will have all of the video links below. And if you want a bonus entry, I have a photo on my Instagram with Smart Sweets. So it's a picture of my dog Charlie. So if you want a bonus entry, make sure you like that photo, comment, and tag 2 friends, and then you'll be entered to win 15 bags of their gummies. So thank you so much to Smart Sweets for sponsoring today's giveaway. So now let's go ahead and get into the deals. So the first deal is on Kellogg's cereal. So Kellogg's cereal is on sale $1.88. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $3.76. You can use $1 off 1 printable coupon, $1 off 2 printable coupons, sorry guys. There's also a send to app coupon as well. So these are going to come out to $1.38 each when you buy 2. So this is a pretty good deal in my opinion. So definitely a good deal for some Kellogg's cereal. So the next deal is on all detergent. So all detergent is on sale for $2.99, and there's $1 off 1 coupon coming in the 7/21 Retail Me Not. So that makes this just $1.99, which is a great deal. Check out for Saving Star. There might be a Saving Star offer come Sunday, but we won't know that until Sunday. So the next deal is on Quilted Northern toilet paper, Angel Soft toilet paper, and Sparkle paper towels. So they're on sale for $4.99, and there's $1 off coupon you can go ahead and send to your Walgreens card. So that's going to make these just $3.99, which I think is a fantastic deal for some toilet paper and paper towels. I am remembering that Walgreens is the best when it comes to paper product deals, so great deal. So the next deal is on soft soap body wash. So these are on sale for $3.99. When you buy 2, you're going to get 5,000 points back, which is equivalent to $5. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $7.98. We're getting 75% off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source 7/21. So what you would do is you would pay $6.48. Earn 5,000 points, so it makes them 73 cents each. So here are the images right here of everything that I mentioned. So great deal. So another good deal is on the 1850 bagged coffee. So they're on sale for $5.99. We have a printable $1 off 1 coupon you can go ahead and print, so it makes it $4.99. And then there's also a send to card coupon as well. So Walgreens makes it really easy with their digital coupons, so great deal on some coffee. Alternatively, the Folgers canister of coffees are on sale for $2.99, so that's a great deal as well. So the next deal is on select 2-liter sodas. So it's Pepsi brand sodas. So they're on sale for just $1, which is great. Perfect time to get some root beer for some root beer floats. Doesn't that sound good? So you pay $1. You can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards to earn bonus points because Pepsi is a bonus brand under the Fetch Rewards umbrella. I have a referral code right here, B5NQN. When you enter this referral code, when you sign up, you're going to get a bonus 2,000 points. So basically, this would be a moneymaker if this was the first receipt that you submitted. You'd pay $1 and then you'd submit 2,000 points for your first upload, get bonus receipt. So you're looking at over $1 moneymaker with this guy. So the next deal is on Papermate pens. So I think this is a great deal for the pack of Papermate pens, the colored pens. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pens. I use these specific pens for couponing all the time, so I think $1.49 is great. We also have a sale on the Bic pens. Now this may be cheaper other places, but I'm just focusing on Walgreens at the moment. But they're on sale 2 for $2.50. We have a $1.50 off 2 insert coupon coming in the 7/21 Smart Source. Final cost is 50 cents each. Now, you guys, this used to be a $1 off 1 coupon. That's what the coupon's been in the past, but clearly, coupon inserts are changing, so maybe a little more difficult to get some free BIC products. If you guys know anywhere that's going to have freebies for the BIC coupon, let us know in the comment section below so we can help each other out to continue to save more money. So these are the top deals that I have for Walgreens. I'm going to be bringing you this video every single week, so definitely look out for it. And again, if you want to be entered to win 15 bags of Smart Sweets, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go to my last 4 uploads, comment, like the video, share the video if you'd like, and then you can also comment on my Instagram photo with Charlie, my Labrador. So there's a picture of Charlie with the Smart Sweets, and tag 2 friends if you want to be entered to win. And this breakdown will be in the description box of this video as well. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic Thursday, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.